myself Nimish from the Electronics Era, and with me, Mr. Vishal Dahiya, Director, Panasonic Life Solutions India Private Limited. And welcome here again, this in EP India, sir. Yeah. And my first question for you, sir, is that what role is Panasonic playing in transforming India into a global manufacturing hub?
Yeah, so Panasonic definitely is supporting Indian manufacturers to meet the requirement for their global manufacturing customers actually. So we have a lot of solutions for the manufacturers in store. For the SMT, for the PCB assembly, we are bringing up our latest equipments and clubbed with our local made digitalization solutions like traceability and warehouse management software.
Okay. And my next question is that, sir, the concept of autonomous factory skill-less operation is gaining traction. How realistic is this vision for Indian manufacturers?
Yeah, this is the need of the hour now. Actually, as the manufacturing is growing up, but we are not having this skill to manpower available. Also, we are getting it ready, but the manufacturer of the equipments are self uh, equipped for more less dependency on the operators. I think that will be a great help for the manufacturers. So we are bringing the solution for the customers.
Okay. And how critical is real-time data analytics in improving manufacturing efficiency and quality?
Yeah, the data plays a very important role actually. So you can, with the data, you can visualize it from any location. With the data, you can predict what is going to happen actually. So if you have the right real-time data available with you, you can take a corrective action at the right time. So I think this is very critical for the manufacturing.
Okay. And can you elaborate on how platforms like PANA CIM and MIR ALE Pro Factory are helping manufacturers achieve digital transformation?
Yeah, Mirai Pro Factory is our cloud-based solution actually. So from where the operators or customers or manufacturers can have a real-time visualization of the flows actually, of the efficiency of the machine or downtime of the machines and the output from the machine. So definitely these solutions are required for making the more speedy manufacturing and more meeting the customer's demand from the global standpoint actually.
Okay. And Panasonic has introduced advanced SMT machines and automation solutions. What differentiate your offering from competitors?
Yeah. Panasonic has own strength actually. So we have dual lane solutions actually. So to meet with less within the less area, high productivity output customers can take. And more on the skill less operations, the new fiber process control based solutions what we have will be really helpful for the customers for more quality and more speedy output.
If you're talking about a exhibition, so what are the new products that you are showcasing this electronic exhibition?
Yeah. So I think this exhibition now going to happen two times as per the organizers. So this year in this place we are displaying the complete SMT PCB assembly solution actually.
Okay.
We have introduced a new product from our new partner TSM for the reflow performance. The latest product in the um, solution offering actually.
Okay.
Plus clubbed with our partner Korean with the inspection machine as well as Panasonic on printing and mounting section.
And my next question is that, sir, what are the biggest challenges manufacturers face when integrating legacy systems with modern automation technologies?
Yeah, there are definitely challenges because the legacy systems are not more primarily on the data driven actually, whereas the new systems are more on the data driven basis. So, but there are solutions to convert the old systems for data visualization. Actually, there are technology, and it also has a solution to convert the old legacy equipments for the database management. Actually, so there are challenges, but they can be overcome. Actually, yeah.
Okay. And my next question is what is Panasonic long-term vision for smart factories in India and globally?
Yeah, Panasonic is working with a lot of key customers based on the product being changing in the industry. Of course, we need to reciprocate with the equipments to support those changing products manufacturing. So Panasonic is developing the equipments based on that requirement. So as the industry is coming up with more and more complex boards, as the industry is coming up for more of the integrated solutions and more on the IT or Industry 4.0. So the equipments are being manufactured and equipped with calibrating those requirements.
Okay, as this is the first day of the exhibition, so what are your expectations for the rest of the day, 2 days for this exhibition?
Yeah, as any displayer, they are expecting more and more visitors and potential customers to visit the booth and see our latest solutions.
Okay, thank you so much, sir. That's all from my side.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.